All right, let's take two on this nice, awesome recording that I just did, and I forgot to save it. So let's try it again. All right, so I am Mrs. Stokowski. I am Maya's virtual kindergarten teacher. I'm going to take you step by step to show you how to log into Seesaw and to get our schedule and how to do work on Seesaw. So you're going to log into SyracuseCitySchools.com. You are going to scroll down to library. Click on library. You are then going to go to Clever. And you're going to have to log in Maya. So seeing that I'm already logged in as Maya, I'm going to log out and I'm going to show you how to log in. So you're going to come to this page when you hit Clever. Now you're going to log Maya in and you're going to use her username, which is MGOOD69. And her password is MG0920. And then we're going to sign her in. And I did it wrong. Figures. Oh, okay, here it is. Ready? It's MGOODR69. And the password is MG0920. There it is. Yay, it did it. Okay, so then you're going to come to this page on Clever. You're going to scroll down to Seesaw. Then on Seesaw, so every morning I will be inboxing you the daily schedule. So if you come over here to inbox, if you click on inbox, there you go. You go to class announcements. The daily schedule was right here for today. So you're just going to click on that link. And then wherever you see the yellow, that's where you're going to meet with me for Teams meeting. So basically, if you see join Teams meeting, you're going to click on that. Oops. Come on, computer. Oh, my computer. There you go. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to click on this. Just let it go. Don't touch anything. Just let it go, and you're just going to press join now, and it will bring you right to our Teams meeting. And it's not working because video cam's already working. Okay, so that's how you do Teams meetings. Make sure you come to our, if you're a banana, so you're going to come to CKLA. You're going to come to CKLA, and then you're going to come to math. I'm trying to find my, there it is. So you'll come to morning meeting, and then you'll come to CKLA with me, and you'll come to math with me, and then the end of the day is with Miss Tynan, and she's going to read a story, and we usually watch a video. Fun stuff at the end of the day. You are bananas, so you are with me 4 times a day on Tuesdays and Thursdays, Mondays and on Thursdays and Fridays, you're with me all day, the 4 times a day. And then on Monday and Tuesday, you are doing basically work on Seesaw. So if you come in here and if you go into bananas and you click on activities, here's all the activities that Maya can do. I would just work on the ones from this week. Don't worry about any of the past ones, so just focus on those ones. If you see a video, please play it before you click on the response. So you would play my video, and my video, I basically will teach you something fun. When you're done with the video, you are then going to go to add a response, and you're going to work on the page. The page, you can either use the pen or the marker just by clicking on what you want to use. And then you can go bananas or however. These are pretty fun. But read the directions and have some fun with that. You can also use the microphone and have her record herself when I ask. She can take a picture. If she did pick up her supply bag, she actually has these math pages. If you want to do that, you can actually do the workbook pages and then just press this and press, I think it's upload. I do believe. No, it's not. I lied. Press that and do photo. There it is. Then you're going to take a picture. But obviously my camera is in use because I'm on it right now. I'm going to exit out here. I'm going to delete and start over. But that's how you would do Seesaw pages. If you ever need to contact me, keep contacting me through talking points. That's how I get messages. Or you can message me through here. You can just go to inbox. And if you want to write me a message, you can go right to messages. And I do believe you can write me a message. I'm not sure how, because I've never done it your way. There's got to be a way for you to type me a message. I don't know how. It's a very good question. Huh. I'm going to have to figure that one out, how you guys can write me messages. And then I'll do another video and show you. So I hope that helps you out. If you have any other questions, please just send me a talking points message and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I hope you have a great weekend and I hope this helps.